Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time I'm gonna be louder. Yes! I'm home alone now and I gotta go to school in 50 minutes. So since I'm home, I get to yell. My cat's gonna sooner or later walk in here. I was wanting to like do a Roblox video or something, but my friend isn't answering her phone. She texted me once and then just stopped talking back. I hate when people do that. So now we're just gonna do an alone movie star fan video. Awesome. Also shout out to him. He's like super nice. And just to inform you, do not spam him to get stuff. He gave me one greet. Do not spam him to get money or anything like that. Just friend him, see if he friends you back, or subscribe to his YouTube channel. I don't remember what it was. Yeah, right there. It's right there. It's in my thing. It's right there. Just subscribe to him. I know. But just subscribe to him and turn on his notifications too. And turn on mine. Okay? Turn on mine. Like, don't just go to him, go to me too. Subscribe to me and watch this video with 11 views. You know, normal stuff. But he's super kind, and I don't really know what to say in this video. I wish my friend was here because then there would be some content at least. God, my hair is so soft. I honestly don't really know what to do today. I'm struggling. Sister's struggling. You need to help me out. I would do like a thing where they would ask me questions and stuff, but I don't know. It's rare week, and I don't know why, but I literally hate the freaking rare weeks. Rare weeks. The only thing that I got good out of this is on my wish list because I couldn't afford it at the time. Yeah, there's my cats. My wish list. I got those and then those. I don't need that sweater thingy. Did I buy it? I think I bought it. Why did I buy it? I don't need that on my wish list. Wear that. I'm not gonna wear that. What are these? I just have random stuff on my wish list. I don't really need those. I just want those for like rare trades and stuff, you know. But I'm trying to. Okay, so I haven't shown my face on this YouTube channel because for some reason the webcam isn't working. So I guess I'm just gonna go to make it. I'm gonna show you guys me right now. You guys, bro, you guys can't discriminate on me. If that's how you even say it. Don't discriminate. I know I'm not cute like her, but you know, me looking like a fucking devil. Oh my god. But that's me. I laughed at that because if you can see right there, my dad walked in. And I was just like, bro, what is you doing? He made a stupid joke because of what I was doing with my cat. Ignore these, but these are me. What? I don't understand that though. Like I don't. That's my best friend. Well, not best friend. Well, this is a fake account that he made because he was like, should I make a girl account? I've never done that before. And that account is him right here. I would expose him right now, but I'm not. I'm not gonna be mean. I honestly have no idea what to say. My friend won't answer here. I'm gonna call her right now. Jesus Christ, that scared me. That scared me. Why did that scare me? She has Stranger Things as her thing. it's just him. Like now I'm getting preppy and stuff to the point where I'm like not gonna accept friend requests. I don't know why.
0,
I'm just like
7, 4.
no. I'm not gonna say her number. I'm gonna call her again. I'm calling her off on my computer because like I broke my phone, so it's gone out. Wow, look at all that fame I built up. So fast. How many friends can I have? I mean, I should know this because I had like a level 19 account, and then it got hacked by my ex-girlfriend. Yes, I'm bisexual. By my ex-girlfriend, because we were friends and we were like, oh, should do like each other's makeover and stuff like that. And I was like, yeah, sure, that seems fun. And then she went ahead and hacked my account. Here, I'll show it to you right now. And I'll show you her account because I also hacked it. Well, I didn't hack it, but I just locked her account.
0, 7.
It's not working. And I'm in Florida. Tee. It's one of my best friends, kind of, I guess. I don't know. Okay. This is the old account. I guess she hacked it. I guess somebody got hacked by her, and then I was like, dang, I need an account. And she gave it to me. Like, I used to be a VIP, and I used to be a level 19. See, and it even shows that she's a, hacker and stuff. Only friending rare traders. I get some. Why am I on my account? See? All these girls saying all this stuff about me, but like, if I go deep into my thing, you'll see, oh, so nice. She must have erased them or something. See? These are all mine. These are all for me. Okay, that's not for me. But see, always stay positive. Did you get hacked? Oof. Hetty, you can't be gay if you're a girl. You know gay. Oh yeah, because I was like, oh yeah, I'm gay. Do I look gay enough? That was one of my old friends. See, really nice. See, all these things that like go deep and then look for me. Kato's here. 2018. Yes, that's. Oh my God, she's calling me! She's calling me! What the fudge? Say hi to YouTube. I'm recording. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
My phone is unlocked right now.
Do what?
My phone is it's not unlocked right now.
Are you serious, bro? She needs to stop doing that.
Well, I can't. It's just. I don't
Girl.
want it to.
Well, I'm recording a video right now, so say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my best friend, Brianna. That I spammed so many D's. I see that now.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. It was just a random letter, and I also like D, so, teehee. I probably shouldn't have said that. But I was just recording.
Wait, you did that tattoo?
What?
You did that tattoo?
Yeah, I did that tattoo.
Oh my God, that's so good.
I know, it's so good.
All of them?
It's so good, bro. I did all of it. Well, I was gonna send you the video, but for some reason, it's not letting me.
That's good, Diane. That's really good.
It's not letting me send you the video. Hold on, wait. Let me go on downloads. Let me see if it'll be there. It's like not letting me.
We still have a lot more time, so we can shoot presents. I kind of hate my hairstyle, but whatever.
Bro, did you check out my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Bro, what kind of friend are you?
I'll check it out when my mom left my phone.
Oh yeah, I just forgot about that like so quick. Can you come over to my house?
No, my dad and mom will get mad.
Oh.
I know, this sucks, but...
My mom, I got the computer taken away, And then my mom like popped up, and she was like, she went, oh, I forgot my phone in my bag, and I was like, holy shit. She's gonna look for the computer while she's in there. Sure enough, she didn't. I'm gonna get it back tonight though, so it don't matter because I gotta do homework for Miss Lynn's class. If you even know who that is.
No.
What do you have for your elective? Like, what's your electives?
Art.
Oh yeah, you got Miss Ginger on?
Yeah, whatever her name is. I don't like her anymore.
Oh my god, you need to get Miss Ginger on. Oh my god. My best friend had her last year. Well, my other best friend. She had her last year, Gianna. Did you see Gianna? Yeah, you met Gianna. The one with the brown long hair. You met her. That kept hitting me. She was like, Cayenne, don't. Because we like always hit each other. But she had Miss Ginger on, and then we did like this game from TikTok on her, and she was so chill about it. Like, she never cares.
Wow.
But she is such a nice teacher. I'm so sad. You should try to get her, because like when you get deeper into
my art teacher, she freaking moved me from the good table.
Well, Miss Ginger, if you're lucky, she's never mean unless you like do something horrible. Then you know she's more strict, but she's not ever mean.
She's not, because we were just running around the classroom, and then like she didn't really say anything until a little bit later.
Well, Miss Ginger is awesome. She likes little, like our stupid jokes. She likes those. I don't know why, but she does. Oh my god, right here it says save bees when it's save the mother humping turtles. I'm not gonna curse because I don't know if you have me on speaker.
So what are you recording on? Like, what are you recording for? Like, what are you recording?
I'm recording me playing Movie Star Planet, but then you just made my content a little epicer. Yeah, it's so epic now. Why you saying Say again, I'm gonna beat you up at a bus stop. Bet. Mama Joe, ready? Get my belt. I'm gonna bring my red one. You gonna bet?
I'm gonna bring my slide. I'm gonna slap the hell out of you.
You gonna bring your daddy's slide?
I have Vans on right now. My sister gave them to me.
Well, you gonna wear them to school? I was gonna give you those Vans, but my mama said that I couldn't. So.
Why?
I don't know.
That sucks.
She just said I couldn't give you those Vans. I was like, Mom, can I give her these Vans? She went, no. I went, why? And she just didn't answer me. Oh, that's so cute.
No.
Guacamole. I said walk. Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Bro, I'm finna get copyrighted and play a song.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna play Emotions. The song I showed you that for some reason you're obsessed with now. Can you hear it?
I love that song.
Yeah, because I showed it to you. In my head,
she said it's all in my head, But it's not, think I'd rather be dead, Can't forgive what you did, She said
I drove her away with my emotions.
Can't take the pain anymore, I'm feeling hopeless. In my head, she said it's all in my head, But it's not, think I'd rather be dead, Forgive what you did.
I don't even know why I tried. You did me wrong and I can't forget that. Shut up. And you cannot fix that. You can't erase what you done to me, but certainly
All you do is burn
to me, eternity.